Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to the C close and bracket and open bracket and close and bracket becoming the copy symbol on your WPS Office site. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to stop this open bracket C, close bracket C become the copied symbol in WPS Office? Actually, it's a big problem for who are using this option. So I just going to open a bracket C and I just close the bracket and enter. It's actually normal. How? It's actually simple. So you just need to it becomes copied, and how it doesn't become copied. So you just need to click on Ctrl Z, it automatically look like this. So now if you type a same thing in this line, it also changes to copied symbol. You just need to click on the Ctrl Z. So this is the easiest solution. When you type open bracket C and close bracket C, it automatically changes to copied symbol. So you just need to, after typing this, you just need to Ctrl Z, it automatically changes to normal, and you can just copy this and paste wherever you want, like this, and you can easily avoid this becoming a copied symbol. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about WPS Office site, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.